I'll show you how to send Solana from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. First thing you're going to do is open up and log into your Coinbase account. If you don't already have a Coinbase account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description that will give you 5 USDC as a sign-up bonus. After you've logged into your account, you're going to see a page that looks like this. If it looks a little different, you might be in the advanced section, which would look like this. And for this tutorial, we don't have to be on here. We can just go back to the simplified version by selecting this off. And once you're on this page, we're going to go right down here to the bottom and tap on this clock icon or assets. And you're going to see here, I have Solana and I'm going to send this to my Phantom wallet. So I'm going to tap on it and I'm going to go right over here to the bottom right and tap on transfer. And I'm going to tap on send. And right here is where we're going to put our deposit address for Phantom. And to do that, we're going to open up and log into our Phantom wallet. And once you're on this page, we're going to go right over here and tap on receive. And we're going to select Solana since we want to receive Solana. And this is your Solana deposit address for Phantom. We're just going to go right down here to the bottom and tap on these 2 squares to copy our wallet address. Go back into Coinbase and we're going to paste in the address we just copied right there. And we're going to tap on it again right here. And right here, we can enter the amount of Solana that we want to send. For example, if we just want to send $10 worth, we would just put $10. But I'm going to send all of it, so I'm just going to tap on max. Because I'm in the EU, I want to have to answer these questions. You might not have to do this, but I'm going to send it to a self-custody wallet, which is my Phantom wallet. And I'm going to send it to myself. So I'm just going to tap on this square here and I'm going to tap on continue. I'm going to confirm everything is correct. This is the network fee that I'm going to have to pay. And after you've made sure everything is good, just tap on send now. Now we're going to receive a text. We're just going to confirm it with the code and that's it. Now we can go back into our Phantom wallet and you'll see right there that I got the transfer. And that's how to send Solana from Coinbase to Phantom. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.